Tired of those Steam points burning a hole in your virtual pocket? Let's turn them into awesome games. First, click on your profile name located in the top right corner of the Steam client. This will take you to your Steam profile page. Next, find and click on the Points Shop button on your profile page. It's usually located near your badges and other profile information. Once inside the Points Shop, use the search bar to find the game you want. Type the game's name carefully to ensure you get the correct result. Locate the game in the search results. Some games have options to spend points on. If the game is eligible, you'll see a button that allows you to use your points for a discount. A confirmation window will pop up, showing the game's price and the number of Steam points that will be deducted. Click the Purchase button to finalize your purchase. Congratulations! The game is now in your Steam library and ready to download and play. Enjoy your new game, earn with those hard-earned Steam points.